Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. As you can see here, today's going to be a shoe rehab. Yay! Is this my first shoe rehab? I think it might be. I think it is. Yes. First shoe rehab. So I'm very excited. And what better to start off the first shoe rehab video but with these gorgeous dark brown suede Gucci loafers. Oh my gosh, cue the Gucci music. But so excited. These are in actually a really good shape. Look at the bottoms of these shoes. Like, they're barely like worn at all. I got these from the Goodwill for the low price of $25. So that was very exciting. As you can see here, whoo, that like zoomed up and you can see everything with these shoes. So I don't know, it looks like someone might have spilled something on these, and like you can see, like it's primarily on this shoe, a little bit on this one, and that might be why they were like donated so quickly, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, but we're gonna try and clean these up, and I have just the product to try and clean it with. So, ow. Oh my gosh, I'm like falling over. Luckily you guys can't see that. It's very embarrassing. But I do have my Angelus Foam Tex cleaner, which I am like sadly almost out of, and I don't know how that happened. I literally have barely any left. But I am going to use this, and hopefully I don't run out, and if I do run out, I have another cleaner, but this is the one that I primarily want to use. And I'm going to use it in conjunction with my horsehair brush right here from Angelus. And I'm going to use this on here and apply it in circular motion and hopefully just clean it right off. And it's not like these are the dirtiest shoes in the world. So I'm anticipating not really having to do too much work to these shoes. So I'm just going to apply it just directly on the shoe. Now this is safe for suede, and whenever you guys have suede shoes and you want to clean them, please make sure that your product is safe on suede, because like that's like literally the worst. Like trying to clean something with a product that's not to be used for, which is like, there's not like every product is good for suede, as most of you guys will probably know. So that was primarily like the only like main area of concern, was like right there, and it looks like it's pretty much gone for the most part. And after like I'm done kind of like brushing this kind of into the leather, we're just going to just like let it sit a little bit, and then we're going to come back with a microfiber cloth and just absorb up the rest of that like the liquid. But this stuff does dry very quickly, and it is just like so nice. I really like it, and I feel like I really need more. Angelus was nice enough to actually send me a little care package, and this was in it, and I am just like over the moon because I honestly didn't even know that they had this product. So that was super kind and generous of them. So Angelus, if you guys are maybe watching this, I want to thank you guys profusely for that little care package that you guys sent, because I have been using this stuff and there's like no more. So thank you. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this product, I will have it linked down below, and you guys can get some for yourself, because this stuff works really well. And as you can see, this already looks fantastic right there. So I'm like very excited. Is it like too dark? Are you guys still seeing it? Yeah, look at that. Like honestly, like it's got, like when this dries up, it's gonna dry beautifully. So there's that one, and then here's like this one. Can you guys see like that comparison between the two? Yeah. amazing. Oh, there is a little bit of stuff right here too, which I did not get. So I will get that as well. And then we're gonna do the other shoe, and then we're gonna let them dry, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out. And this is just like a quick kind of like spot clean on these. I'm not gonna clean them like too intensely because they're honestly still pretty clean. And it was really just like the front that had like any real like staining on them. So again, there is the comparison of the two, which I think looks pretty fantastic. So again, I'm just going to let this dry. We're going to work on this one now, so I'm going to set this guy aside right there, and we're just going to do the same thing that we did with the other one. And also, okay, I forgot to say this, but quick disclaimer, I am not like a professional shoe cleaner, repair person, or anything of that sort. I just like dabble in like handbag repair and stuff like that, and make videos on them sometimes. I love to go thrifting, and a lot of this stuff I just get from a thrift store. And so like I practice cleaning things that I see or like try to think of in my brain and see if they work, and when they do, I like to share it with you guys, and hopefully you guys can fix up some thrifted gems of your own. So if any of you guys try this product or have tried this product or have any other products or cleaning tips, let me know down below in the comments, because I love hearing from you guys and learning about new stuff, because that's what I feel like YouTube is for. It's for like the sharing of like experiences, knowledge, and all that stuff. So I am always very excited when someone messages me to let me know about a new product or way I can clean something or anything of that sort. And also if you guys have found like any cool thrifted treasures, I also love hearing about that as well. So yeah, so I'm just gonna let this sit a little bit, and I'm gonna wipe it dry with a microfiber cloth, and then let it dry some more, because the microfiber cloth isn't gonna completely clean up the whole thing. And then I will come back with you guys, and I'll show you guys the final results of this shoe. There we go. Ooh, it's already looking so fantastic. I really like it so far. Okay, guys, I am done with the shoes, and they look pretty good. I'm trying to get them to like lighten up. There you go. You can see the color a lot better. But yeah, they look pretty good. There are like a couple little marks that I don't know what that stuff was that I got on it. Like it kind of like melted the suede a little bit. So I have no clue. Maybe it was bleach. Maybe it was like some like caustic sort of chemical or something. But I feel like they still look pretty darn good, and for the price I paid for them, I think that is a pretty good deal. So that is the end of the video. Hope you guys learned a little bit of something. But yeah, it's super easy to clean suede. I know a lot of people are really scared of cleaning it, but you know, as long as you have like the right products, you can't really go wrong. And I just love the Angelus suede nubuck cleaner. It's really super fantastic. So if you guys are looking for something like that, try it out. There are a lot of other brands out there too as well that like work really well, but that one is just my favorite at the moment. So again, I'm gonna have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. And yeah, hope you guys had fun. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want more of these shoe rehab videos. And don't worry, I have more handbag rehabs coming up as well. I just filmed a couple, and they are in the pipeline to be going up very soon. And hope you guys are all having a really fantastic 2019 so far. Or wait, no, 2018. It's still 2018. It's gonna be 2019. Actually, when is this video gonna go up? I have no clue. Whenever you guys are watching this, I hope it's fantastic. I hope you guys are having fun. I hope you guys are loving life and enjoying it, whether or not it's 2018 or 2019. But I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Okay, I don't know why these are so expensive. There's like that one, which is the exact box, at $68.58. And then I also found, I think, the same ones, which are right here, for $20. So either way, it's still a deal. I don't know, should I get them? Let's actually open them up and just check out the inside. Pretty sure they're brand new, I think they're from Target, but oh, these are really nice. Now just holding it, like I really like them. For some reason I thought they'd